Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be exciting for me because I'm reviewing a brand new makeup brand. This is Vanity Makeup Cosmetics. This is a brand developed by @VanityMakeup on Instagram. I've been following her for quite a while and she's just so beautiful. She does really amazing makeup looks. She's so talented and she came out with her own makeup product. So their first product is a Sculpt and Glow palette. It's a cream kind of contour and highlight palette. I have shared it a few times on my Instagram. This is also not the first time I sat down to do a video on it, but I just wasn't happy with the footage from that video, so I completely scrapped it and decided to sit down today and do another review of it. So since I scrapped my first impression video of this palette, I have had about a week and a half to test this out daily, so I'm actually happy with that. I can actually hop on here with a week of experience with this palette, so I do feel like this is going to be a more well-rounded review. But if you guys want to see me use this product and hear my thoughts on it, then just keep on watching. So first off, I definitely urge you guys to follow Vanity Makeup on Instagram. I love her content so much. She has such a chill vibe to her, which I really like personally, and I love all of her makeup looks. So about this palette, it is a $39 product. I did pay for this myself on the day that it came out. It comes in 5 different shades. I did pick up the light palette. I'm gonna go ahead and pop them up on the screen so you guys can see the 5 different variations that it comes in. But I did pick up the light palette and it definitely worked out for me. As you can see, the palette has a sculpting color, a highlighting color, and a glow, which is more of like a shimmery highlight. And these are made in the United States. So I'm just going to fill you guys in. I really love this palette. I think it's so creamy. It's pretty much unlike anything that I've tried in my collection. Most of the cream contours and cream highlight products that I have are very dry compared to this. This is a very like slick, lightweight formula, and it's also very pigmented. So it might be my favorite sculpting cream product. So here is the light trio swatched. As you guys can see, they're insanely pigmented. I really didn't press very hard. The middle finger is the Sculpt, the ring finger is the highlight, and then my pinky is the glow. Here's what they look like when I actually swatch them. So yeah, I'm kind of obsessed. I don't really have a lot of negatives about this. It's kind of crazy for someone's first product to be so perfect in my opinion. Like the packaging has a nice pearl finish to it. It's a very nice heavy plastic. It's magnetic. It has a really clear mirror in it. It's just so good. But I'm going to show you guys how I apply this palette so you can see how it works on my face. Alright, so I'm going to quickly show you guys how I like to use this palette. First, I'm going to start with the lighter shade, the highlight shade in the middle as a concealer. Right now, all I have down is foundation. A little of this goes a long way, so I'm just going to pick it up really gently with a Sigma Precision Angled brush. Just dipping lightly into that center shade. And I'm going to use this just to brighten underneath my eyes. It's kind of like the perfect banana-y yellow shade for my skin. It is very light though, so I wouldn't use it on an everyday basis, just kind of when I want to have a glam look. And the thing about this product is that it's just so blendable, and that's what I really like about it. All of the colors in here are blendable. So I'm going to add a little bit to the very center of my forehead, kind of blending it out a little with the brush, but I'm going to blend it all with a sponge. So then I'm going to spray my sponge with my Urban Decay setting spray just to get it a little damp. And I'm going to blend it all out. Now I like the highlight shade a lot, but the real winner for me out of this palette is definitely the sculpting cream. Like the effect of this is very pretty, but it's not something I would do every single day. And the sculpting cream I would use every single day. Now I prefer to blend the sculpting cream out with a brush. So I'm going to pick this up, same thing, a little goes a long way, but it does blend out so seamlessly, so you can build it up if you want to. I just like to make a fish face, kind of apply it to that sideburn, natural contour area in stippling motions. Then I'm taking the brush that I did my foundation with and I'm doing the same thing. I'm blending it out in a stippling motion, not completely swiping the product away, because I want it all to stay in that focused little area. And then when I'm done doing this, I will go over it with the sponge just to make sure that the highlight and bronzer shades are mixing well. But it's so crazy to me how successful this has been for my skin. Normally it takes me much longer to learn how a specific formula will work on my face best, but this is just so effortless. So as you can see, it gives me a lot more dimension to my face, even though it is a cream. And normally creams do come out a little bit more natural. You can go natural and you can go full glam with this cream. So I'm mimicking the same thing on this side. Now this is of course going to be different for everybody. I don't have a prominent cheekbone, so I use a lot to try to mimic that shadow effect. But obviously if you've already got that carved out face, you might not need this much. And I've used this with multiple types of foundation and it blends well with everything I've tried. Today I'm just wearing the New Origins foundation. I have tried this with the Stay Naked from Urban Decay and the Hourglass foundation, and I love it with all of them. Now I'm gonna hit that sponge one more time with the setting spray, and I'm gonna show you how pretty this glow cream is. I'm gonna grab a little bit with my finger, tap it in between where I highlighted and contoured, and then gently blend everything together. And it just gives such a pretty glass-like, undetectable highlight. It's just so glowy and subtle. So yeah, overall, I really, really recommend trying this if you guys are into face products. It's a really, really fun one for transforming your makeup. I just think this is a great product to have if you like to use creams. But that is how I like to use the palette. So I'm gonna finish up my makeup. I'm doing an Instagram tutorial right now, and I will come back to finish up my thoughts. All right, so I'm back. I did end up adding like a powerful highlight because I am doing a little tutorial because the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit is coming back, so I felt inspired to use it again. So I personally am really happy with my purchase. I feel like I'm more excited for different face makeup products lately than I am eyeshadow, so I'm excited to continue using this. I'm glad that I hopped on camera after using it a few different times because now I can really tell you that I love this, and I'm glad that I purchased it. I think it's extremely blendable. I love the packaging. I think the cream product is great. The only thing that I don't know is if this is going to dry out at all at any point. I hope not, because I really, really like it and I hope it lasts me a while. I want this to last me into summer because I love using cream products in the summer months. That's like when I transition into all cream everything. But so far I've been really happy with this. I'm happy with my shade selection. I think the light palette works well for my skin tone, even when I do have a little bit of a self tan on. Overall, I had a really good experience. The shipping was really easy. It came fairly quickly, and obviously the palette wasn't damaged or anything. I think that Vanity Makeup did a really good job with her first product, and I would recommend it to you guys. So I will leave this linked down below if you guys want to check it out, but I hope that you enjoyed this review. I did get quite a few requests for this over on my Instagram, so I hope you liked it, and if you picked this up, definitely let me know how you like the product yourself. But that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, then please give this video a thumbs up for me. And don't forget, if you are new, to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future uploads. I am constantly reviewing new makeup, and I do think I want to start diving back into older makeup too. Maybe find a balance between saving my money and trying new products. But thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with me in this video, and hopefully I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.